Hi, Dolphins. I'm so excited to announce today's Character Accounts Award winners. These are the award winners for Winter 2021. Seaside is such an exceptional place, and one of the reasons is because of the amazing students and their character. Especially during this crazy time, it's really important that we show all of these traits. So here's a few students who are receiving their awards. Yuzuki S. shows responsibility. She's incredibly responsible in the classroom. You can count on her to always be prepared with her classwork and kind, considerate actions. Audrey B. is caring. She's considerate and kind in all her actions. It is a challenge to lend a hand to classmates during distance learning. However, Audrey lifts the classroom spirit through music. Kaylee K. is respectful. She has excellent manners, always says please and thank you, and raises her hand in class. She's very sweet and kind to her classmates and her teacher. Sana S. shows responsibility. She's always prepared and attentive with readiness to learn. She's an excellent leader. Emmy L. is caring. She is kind to everyone. Emmy always encourages and cheers on her friends. Robert D. has exemplary citizenship. He works hard and cares about others. Without being asked, he helps those around him. He is a sweet and loyal friend. Nicholas W. shows responsibility. He always completes his work on time, puts forth his best effort, even when the work is extremely challenging. Luke E. is caring. He takes every opportunity to congratulate or celebrate his fellow classmates. Whether it is a simple nod of the head or a quick cheer in that chat, Luke is behind it. Matthew M. shows responsibility. Matthew demonstrates consistent work completion, perseverance, and does his best at all times. Abigail T. demonstrates trustworthiness. She's an exemplary student who has learned to focus her attention on digital lessons and during group meetings. She can be counted on to listen attentively to the teacher's instructions and then complete her assignments to the best of her ability. Hope M. is caring. She is thoughtful, courteous, and compassionate and goes out of her way to show kindness to her classmates. Hope shows genuine concern for her peers and is quick to make them feel special or lift their spirits when they are feeling down. Avantika V. shows responsibility. She has consistently shown great responsibility in the 4th grade. She's an excellent student in every way. Suri S. is caring. She has always been concerned with her classmates and her teacher's well-being. She is often the first to congratulate her peers or check in on her teacher. She helps create a friendly and welcoming class environment for her peers. Seth L. has exemplary citizenship. He's a great worker and always has a positive attitude. He tries his best every day. Calvin D. is caring. He is always terrific about inviting his shy peers to participate in outdoor activities. Calvin gives thoughtful compliments when peers share their work. He is a good role model in and out of the classroom. May Yu shows responsibility. May always does what she's supposed to do with a positive attitude and effort. She demonstrates perseverance when practicing her multiplication facts. Jace M. is respectful. He always uses good manners. He is considerate of his classmates and others. Caitlin J. is caring. Caitlin is very thoughtful. She always ensures all of her classmates feel included and is consistently ready to help others. Caitlin demonstrates kindness inside and outside of the classroom. Russell D. shows responsibility. Russell puts his best efforts in everything that he does. His work is always detailed and on time. He possesses natural leadership skills. Russell is not afraid to ask questions to ensure that he turns in his very best work. Wow, I am so excited. Congratulations to all of you. Show the world your colors because character does count.